The last part of this assignment is to do something with that defensive coefficient now. And what we want to do is we want to be able to show whether or not being a strong defensive team has an impact on their winning percentages. So do good defensive teams win more games? And so we're going to create a chart that's going to hopefully show us that stat. So we're going to click on our two columns that we want to use, B and C, which is defensive coefficient and winning percentage. And we're going to create something called a scatter graph. And we're going to use that first one here. Click on that. And that is basically going to chart our winning percentage against our defensive coefficient. So our defensive coefficient goes along the bottom, and our winning percentage is going up the top. And we can kind of see a general trend up as defensive coefficient goes up, winning percentage goes up. Now we want to solidify that by putting in an actual trend line that shows in which direction the data is going. And to do that, we're going to go to Chart Tools, Layout, and we are going to go to Trend Line, and we're going to add a linear trend line. And that shows us that, in fact, as winning percentage goes up, defensive coefficient goes up, or as defensive coefficient goes up, winning percentage goes up, and that shows our relationship between the two numbers.